Hi guys, so today I'm going to share with you on how to make my own simple pork belly dinakdakan dish. Unlike the other dinakdakan dish, this recipe is very straightforward and easy to make. So without further ado, let's start, and here's what we need. Red or white chopped onion, green chili, calamansi, or you can use lemon or lime. For this, I use 3 pieces of calamansi. If you want to make a little bit spicy, you can add red chili and chives or spring onions for extra. Mayonnaise. You can use other types of mayonnaise or brand, depends on your preference. And of course, our grilled pork belly. Mix all the ingredients and toss it gently, especially when you're adding the red chilies. Add salt and pepper to taste. If you really don't have time to grill the pork belly, you can fry or roast it and chop it into small pieces. For my extra cravings, I have added sunny side up or over easy, or you can have it scrambled, depends on your preference. And there you have it, our simple grilled pork belly dinakdakan dish. Thanks for watching! Bye!